Hi, this is Dave from Buzzy. In the previous video we used the Buzzy Figma plugin to generate a live form directly from a Figma file. So this is it here, and if we jump over to the design file, you notice there's a few extra things that we could add. So one of those is placeholder text, and we might also want to change the size of this description. If we go back to the live form, you'll notice it's just a standard single line input at the moment. So to do those things, we can jump into the advanced field settings. So here's our plugin and the field markup. So if we go to advanced settings down here, and these become available once the app's been published and the fields have actually been created on the back end, so they exist now. Go to advanced settings and we can define things. We see we're in the spaceship image field. It's of type URL, which we defined earlier in the plugin, but now we can enter other things like placeholder text. So this will be enter URL of image. That'll do for that one. And I'll just copy this. There we go. So that's this field. We'll go to the advanced settings, placeholder text. We can paste that in. This one down here, spaceship description. I'm going to go enter brief description. And what we might also do is change the number of rows. So say we give this 3 rows to start with. Right, and now we can go update our app. Now if we jump back to our preview, hit refresh, there we go, we've got placeholder text and our description is now 3 rows high. So that's just some of the things you can do with the advanced field settings. So have an explore, see what else you can do, and thanks for watching.